Come on, dude. Got something to talk about really quick, okay? What is that, a little hair on my mic? What's that doing there? All right, guys, so as you guys know, I made a video about these AirPods, what happened to my AirPods. If you guys don't know, they went in the wash. A couple of videos ago, I was talking about how these went in the wash, obviously by accident. Who would do that on purpose? And in that video, I was pretty much talking about how they actually survived in the wash after them being in the wash for like literally 30 to 40 minutes, something like that. They're actually in the dryer, and I heard it like make that sound in the dryer. I was like, yo, my AirPods are definitely in there. Dang it. But then I took them out and they were working. Surprisingly, they're working perfectly fine. I feel like they didn't actually sound how they once were. It feels like they sounded a little bit different, but that could have just been me being like, yo, they went in the wash. There's no way they're gonna sound as good as they once were. A couple days after that video, guys, as you guys know, I rock these every single day pretty much since I've gotten them. I use them every single day. These are probably my favorite headphones I've ever caught. But a couple days after that video, guys, I put them in my ear. I put the right one in first. That's usually how we do it. Put in the right one and then put in the left one. Okay, that's usually how I do it. As you guys know, if you guys have AirPods, sometimes the music only goes through on one side for a second, and then it takes like a second or two for the music to go on the other side. So it's like, okay, it's just a little glitch. All I have to do is put them back in the case and put them back in my ears, and then they'll start working. And that's what I thought. I tried that multiple times, dude. We're talking 30 times probably more than that. The left one was never working. It never worked, which I'm like, yo, what's going on here? Because they were working after the wash. They were both working, like I said, pretty normally. Like I was hearing audio in them. I was like, yo, they're working. And whatever I did, I restarted them. I put them back in the case. I waited until they died. I charged them back up. I disconnected them from my iPhone. I forgot the device on my iCloud. I did everything, guys. Everything that you could think of, okay? And they never connected back. They never connected back. I can never get it to connect to my iPhone back. So now both of them don't work, and I just don't have now I don't have AirPods. I've been charging them for pretty like literally like an hour or something like that. And as you guys know, if you guys have AirPods, there's a little light that turns on. It's like, yo, you're good. You can use them. But right now, there's no light. It's acting like they're actually dead. And like I said, I've been charging them for a while, maybe like around an hour, and they do not work. They do not work. Whenever I plug them in though, I do see an orange light, and that's a light indicating that they're charging. But sometimes the light does flicker and it looks very sketchy, and it doesn't look like it's not gonna work. But yeah, they're like trying to start up, but they will not. Like they're trying to charge. I feel like they're trying to charge, but they're like, yo, we cannot handle it. Something's wrong inside of the AirPods. Right now, guys, I have a non-functioning pair of AirPods. I don't know what to do, because I don't know if I should send them to Apple. I don't know if I should I don't know what to do. I feel like Apple won't do anything about them, because they'll figure out that they're water damaged, and they'll be like, yo, you're screwed. You gotta buy a new pair. And I don't know if I should buy a new pair of these ones, or if I should buy a new pair of the AirPods 2 that are probably gonna be coming out very soon, maybe even this year. If not this year, maybe like early 2019. I think they're gonna be released pretty soon. So I have no idea what I should do, because as you guys know, like I said, I wear these every single day. Well, I used to, because well, now they're broken, so I don't use them every day. I'm very sad about this, because these are my favorite headphones ever, dude. So I don't know what to do. So yeah, guys, let me know if you guys have any solutions. I did try the button on the back. So yeah, I've tried that. It did not work. I've tried holding it. I tried pairing it to my iPad, my iPhone. Nothing. Manually and automatically, nothing worked. So I think they're just done. I think they're done for. I just thought I would update you guys on that, because I don't know why. I just thought I would. Thanks for watching, guys. Really do appreciate. Here's my PayPal if you wanted to donate. Hopefully the AirPods do come out very, very soon, or I can find a good deal on like a cheap pair of AirPods the original AirPods. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys later, I guess. I don't know. I'm just so sad, dude. Peace out, dude. I don't know.